Mercedes import time, 1977 Mercedes 450 SEL. Nice looking sedan. Now, this particular car was imported. It is a gray market car. Was not sold by a Mercedes dealer in the US, but rather imported. I was actually in Germany for 10 years before coming here. The previous owner of this car, mature gentleman, and unfortunately, his wife said it was time for the car to go. Brought it to us, and that's where it is now and being represented and for sale. If you want to check out the still pictures on this car, you can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pics. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. See the grill in the car, nice shape. Paint does show its age some. You can see where there's been some touch-up spots. But would be a nice driver. Tan or camel-colored cloth interior. This does have the 4.5 liter underneath the hood, 3-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's riding on aftermarket Mercedes wheels that really set this car off. Tinted windows. AC does blow cold. We've had the AC working, compressor turning on. In the trunk, there is a jack, lug wrench, and a couple seat covers and a car cover, and you can check those out in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. According to the previous owner, he did have the gas tank removed and cleaned recently. And we do have technicians in the back shop too that go down a checklist for service on this car. If you wanted to discuss that, feel free to do that with your sales associate when you call in. Once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, is the website to check out the still pictures. Let's go ahead. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. And I do have pictures without the floor mats in there also. There's some very nice floor mats. They look good underneath. The only thing I noticed on the interior, one little kind of wear mark, little tear in the cloth seat. Let's go ahead and start this up. Has had an aftermarket stereo added to. Looks like a Kenwood right there. Dash in nice shape. Go down and reads 135,823. On these cars, isn't a lot of miles. These will go a long time. As you can see, interior nice shape, with the exception of that one little tear. We have buckets, center console. Rear seats, a lot of room. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check that out. Alright, have the hood pop. It does have a high idle when it is cold. That will go away when it is warmed up. I think they did check out for the service techs. It's a 4.5 liter underneath there. Again, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. There you go, 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. Nice looking sedan in black, tan interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.